Hello, hello! Thank you for tuning into The Pretty Fix. I am celebrity makeup artist Melissa Murdock, here to teach you literally everything about makeup, including how to apply liquid lipstick when you're either a beginner or just not great at it. This tutorial includes my ultimate pro tips and tricks for success that I know make all the difference in getting that perfect lip that you want. To get started, all you need is the liquid lipstick of your choice. The number one thing that is going to make the biggest difference in how well you apply your liquid lipstick is having the exact right amount of product on the applicator when you apply it to your lips. Most often there is way too much product on there when you take it out of the tube, which inevitably just squishes out beyond the edge of your lip and makes a crooked mess. To end this issue, we're gonna do two things. Number one, anytime you take the applicator out of the tube, always wipe it on the edge before you use it. Number two, always apply the lipstick starting at the center of your mouth until you feel you have the right amount of product left to start creating the edge with control. If you consistently keep this in mind, you're gonna begin to feel when the applicator has the right amount of product so that you will have way better results than you've ever had before. The first step is to apply a bit of the lipstick just at the center of your mouth and rub your lips together a few times to distribute it. This just makes the overall application process quicker and fills your lip in a bit so that you can focus on perfecting the lip line. Next, you'll create the peak on one side of the top lip and connect it from there to the corner of your mouth. Always start with the applicator at the center of your mouth to get off some of the product until it feels safe to gradually approach the edge of your lip. Use as many short strokes as you need to follow along your natural peak and connect it to the corner of your mouth until you get the edge to look smooth and straight. You'll notice that even though I do use one long stroke after creating my peak, I still go back over it, so do this as many times as you need. Repeat the same process on the other side of your top lip, removing some of the product again in the center of the mouth before creating the peak and filling in the side. Don't panic if the lip is a little uneven or if there's still a bit of smoothing out and reshaping to do. It's way easier to get the lip on as best you can and then go back and perfect certain areas at the end. What most people don't realize is that this is the key to getting the lip perfect, not applying it absolutely perfect right from the beginning. Once the top lip is done, you'll again remove some of the product from the applicator through the center of the bottom lip until you have the right amount left to approach the edge. Start at the corner of your mouth and follow your lip line down towards the center. Repeat this process on the other side and press your lips together to smooth all of the product out. Once your bottom lip is filled, it's time to analyze where your lip could look a little bit better, whether you need to add more color in general or reshape certain parts to make it look more even. Having the entire lip filled makes it much more obvious where the differences are so that you can start to even them out now. Keep in mind that it is totally okay to use some Q-tips and makeup remover if you mess up or need to remove some product rather than adding more. I've been a professional makeup artist for 16 years and I use Q-tips all the time. I truly just got lucky on this video. All that matters is that you get the result you want in the end. Getting there is always a process of give and take, and some days you'll do better than others. That's just the way it goes, and that's totally fine. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button because I am here as a pro to make your makeup life much easier. Also, if you want exclusive makeup tips, make sure you're following The Pretty Fix on Instagram, and then definitely head over to my full site, theprettyfix.com, where I've got weekly makeup advice, full-blown makeup classes that are perfect for beginners, and much, much more.